If you've ever wanted to get into astrophotography but felt overwhelmed by expensive equipment, complicated setups, and hours of alignment, the Seestar S30 Pro might completely change the way you look at the night sky. I've gone through everything this telescope offers, and in this video, I'll explain what makes it special, where it performs really well, and whether it's actually worth buying. Right from the first impression, the Seestar S30 Pro feels more like a premium smart gadget than a traditional telescope. It's compact, weighs just around 1.6 kilograms, and comes with almost everything you need to get started. Instead of carrying multiple accessories like a separate mount, camera, focuser, and controller, everything is built into one single device. That means setup takes only a few minutes, even if you've never used a telescope before. One of the biggest upgrades is the new dual camera system. The main camera uses a larger sensor that captures much more detail than the previous model, while the second wide-angle camera opens up completely new shooting modes. You can capture deep sky objects like galaxies and nebulae, but you can also shoot wide-field Milky Way images, star trails, and even landscape astrophotography without needing another camera. The image quality is honestly impressive considering the size of this telescope. It uses a 4-element apochromatic lens that helps keep stars sharp across the frame while reducing color fringing. During long exposures, the telescope automatically tracks the sky, stacks multiple images together, reduces noise, and processes everything for you. Instead of spending hours editing, you can get surprisingly good results directly from the Seestar app. Another feature that stands out is how intelligent the software is. Simply choose an object from the app, and the telescope automatically finds it, tracks it, focuses, and starts capturing images. You don't need to understand star alignment or complicated astronomy techniques. If you're completely new to astrophotography, that's a huge advantage. For people who want to experiment further, there are some advanced features as well. You get built-in light pollution filtering for capturing emission nebulae, mosaic mode for creating large panoramic images, planning mode for automatic overnight imaging, and even an equatorial mode that allows longer exposures when using an EQ setup. So while it's beginner-friendly, there's still enough room to grow as your skills improve. The Seestar S30 Pro isn't limited to nighttime either. During the day, you can use it for bird watching, wildlife, distant landscapes, or safely observing the sun using the included solar filter. That makes it much more versatile than a telescope that's only useful after sunset. Battery life is another positive. Under normal conditions, you can expect around 5 to 6 hours of use on a single charge, which is enough for most observing sessions. It also supports external USB-C power, so if you're planning a longer night under the stars, you can simply connect a power bank and keep going. Now, no product is perfect, and this one has a few limitations. The biggest one is the 30mm aperture. While the software does an excellent job extracting detail, physics still matters. If you're looking for professional-level deep sky imaging or highly detailed planetary photography, larger telescopes will still perform better. Traditional visual observers should also know that there's no eyepiece here. Everything is viewed through your phone or tablet. So this is really designed for digital astrophotography rather than classic telescope viewing. So, is the Seestar S30 Pro worth it? If you're a beginner, someone who enjoys technology, or simply wants an easy way to capture beautiful images of the night sky without spending hours learning complicated equipment, it's honestly one of the most exciting smart telescopes available right now. It's portable, incredibly simple to use, packed with intelligent features, and produces results that are surprisingly good for such a compact device. For experienced astrophotographers, it probably won't replace a dedicated high-end setup, but it can become the telescope you use the most simply because it's so quick and convenient. Overall, the Seestar S30 Pro succeeds in making astrophotography accessible without taking away the excitement of exploring the universe. If that's exactly what you're looking for, this smart telescope is definitely worth considering.